Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is a Verizon Galaxy Note 8, in which I'm just gonna go to the dialer. As a matter of fact, we can actually just go through the settings. About phone, as you can see, that is the model, and just gonna go to swap up. Which we got swap up right here, but I'll show you that it's the same Imei. We got 352 077 091 212 037. As you can see here, this is part one of the physical Galaxy Note 8. We like to do more physical devices. I just wanted to copy it just because. Well, as you can see, this device actually has 2 blocks on it. This device cannot be activated, and this device lost stolen right there. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 Part 1 physical device. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.